So the other day I made a video that ruffled some feathers. This is exactly what I said.
My man say me can't go, so me not go out. Right. A them girl that deserve the world. Exactly. Them girl that deserve provision and protection. Because them not understand, Mama, you want me protect you, but I don't have any say so over nothing you do. Protection and them thing that come with authority. If me not have authority over you, I cannot protect you. Exactly. So if you not gonna listen when me say, don't go to this spot, these niggas over there mad thirsty, and you say, fuck what you say, I'm gonna still gonna do it, I'm not providing.
Basically saying, if you're not going to listen to me, I cannot protect you. If I tell you don't touch the stove and you go ahead and touch it, I cannot protect you from being burnt. How many women in the Jamaican society do we see get lost, never to return because they weren't protected? It's a lot of women every year. Now, this random woman tagged me into this video that this creator made responding to a 1 minute clip. Not full context, just a 1 minute clip of what I said. Here's her response.
First of all, we talked about this already, you see? I'm going to say it already, I'm going to say it again. You see, if you want a traditional relationship, you have to be doing traditional things.
Oh, so you're agreeing. If a man is doing what he needs to do, playing his traditional role, his woman needs to play her traditional role with basic respect and just listen to him, right? Okay, good. We got that covered.
In all honesty, some of the time, some are not a man, some are not a boy.
I was wondering when the personal attacks were going to come. Not even 1 minute in the video, but let's continue.
The man that provides entirely for his woman should be able to tell her to do anything.
That's the exact thing that I said. So you're agreeing. Oh, okay, perfect.
I'm going to take care of me full time and him say, oh, don't go there, so. That means I'm not go there, so. But you can't have me, I do everything for myself. I do 90% of things to myself. And you want to tell me where to go? Don't go there, so, because man, I go there, so. Okay? Some of the man is insecure, you know?
They never fail. Once again with the personal attacks. Gentlemen, it's now considered insecurity if you want to protect your woman. Notice how she's trained from the original argument. The original argument was talking about the men who are indeed providing and protecting and the women who are not listening, not men who are not protecting and providing. No woman should take talk from a man that's not protecting and providing. If you as a woman take talk from a man that's not protecting and providing, loser. You're bringing personal things that have nothing to do with the original argument just to try to discredit the original argument that women should listen to men who are doing what they are supposed to do.
And so on a project on the insecurities for the woman. And not for the time too, because you know when I do a road, that's why I don't want a woman to go a road.
Stop me if I'm wrong, guys. Doesn't this sound a little bit too personal? So personal that it has nothing to do with the original argument. Am I tripping?
But sure no say, if me tell you say, me don't want you to go out with the boys. You are going to go out with the boys regardless.
Do you have a logical reason why he shouldn't go, or you're just trying to flex your power? Because if a man don't listen to you, that's a man that doesn't respect you, and you should not stay in that relationship. Or else you're a... I won't say it.
Me not tell nobody say, my man say me can't come, and my man say me no fi go. That's why me not go. Especially if my man can't give me a valid reason not to go, aside from the fact that, oh, other man I go the day, and him not go the day. Like, if you not trust me for that road by myself and don't have man in my ears, then you not have no business being with me, and me not have no business being with you.
No disrespect, but that statement showed me how limited your thinking is, because if that's the only thing you can come up with as to why your man don't want you to go on the road, you will always put yourself in harm's way. This has nothing to do with jealousy, man talking in your ear, him not trusting you. It's him not trusting the environment that you're in, because if trouble reach your mama, who are you going to call first? Your man. As I said, limited thinking.
A relationship is not supposed to be a dead sentence. If me used to outside and enjoy certain things before me start talking to you, I'm supposed to still can go outside and enjoy certain things while me I talk to you. And yes, of course, compromises have to be made. You have to sacrifice certain things to make a relationship work. But unless you have complete control over me, you cannot protect me. I'm not your daughter. I'm not your child. I'm not your prisoner. I'm just so tired of these debates with men about what they will and will not do for a woman. But at the same time, if you even get the opportunity to do all of that, you still are going to do the bare minimum.
Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but this sounds so personal. This sounds like something that you lived through already. Sadly, if that's the case, very unfortunate, and my heart goes out to you. But not once did I say, if I don't have complete control over you, I cannot protect you. I said, if you're not going to listen to me, then I can't protect you. You're going to keep putting yourself in harm's way when me I tell us XYZ. This is a man who is reasonable. It's the leader that you chose. You think he's going to oppress you? The reason why you're talking like this is because of these buzzwords, authority, leadership. You don't know why I hear them something, they only think to them think they're prison sentence. Why?
A time for no come with something different now. And what I do agree, so some of the time your man be right about a person. Like sometimes when your man say, oh, that friend they no good for you, it will turn out to say them right for you. But regardless, a relationship should not be a prison.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but doesn't it sound like she's agreeing with me? And then later on down the line, try to discredit the original argument by bringing up personal problems that she went through. Hopefully she didn't go through it. But how can you agree and disagree at the same time? I don't understand. It sounds like you have a little bit of disdain for men. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it sounds like it.
It's not supposed to take away, it's supposed to add to your well-being. If I enjoy going out and going to parties and going to adventures, you either come with me or you stay home. It's that simple. But me not gonna give up the little harmless things that make me happy just so it can boost your ego. And come to think of it, that's how a lot of women lose their friendships. Because once them there with man, the man have complete control over them and them neglect them friends. Then when it mash up, them not a man and them not a friend. And guess who still have them friend? The man. So with that being said, if you look somebody for control, go control your mama. She alone obligated.
Well, that was mighty rude. If you want to control something, go control your mama. Ooh. This reminds me of Shatters. Go protect your sour mama. But fun and jokes aside, gentlemen, just be mindful of the woman you're taking up. You understand? Don't take up no woman with trauma. Please don't. It's not going to work out in your favor because you could be doing everything correctly and some of the good things that I do can trigger off the trauma them. You understand what I say? Ladies, don't take up the man traumatized because you're indeed going to think of prison sentence when a man putting him foot down, leading him family. You guys let me know what you're thinking in the comment section. I don't know say One Nation and MR Nation. Kaboom! Men, when you find a good woman, brother, and she display all of these qualities from early, come here, some of them, ooh, I'm not doing wife things and as a girlfriend. But you, as a boyfriend, you're supposed to do husband things. You're supposed to provide. You're supposed to do everything. If you have a girl and she say she's not going to do wife things at a girlfriend level, you do not do husband things at a boyfriend level. Don't pay for nothing.
Well, we get fuck.
If we were supposed to play tit for tat with these women, everybody would suffer, man. Understand that. So I'm not telling you to go fuck off with woman because we need woman, bro. As much as we are joke and we are going on a laugh, we need woman. But pick the right fucking woman and stop pick some little waste blood clot girl. I don't want you man tell me nothing, brother. More good girl they wrote down wicked